and welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to change your business address on Google Business Profile in 2026. Keeping your business address up to date helps customers find your location easily on Google Search and Google Maps. First, sign into your Google Business Profile account using your web browser. If you manage multiple business locations, select the profile you want to edit. From the dashboard, click *Edit Profile* and navigate to the *Location** section. Here you'll see your current business address. Click the address field and enter your new business address carefully. As you type, Google may suggest matching addresses. Select the correct one from the list to ensure accurate map placement. After entering the new address, double-check that the map pin is in the correct location. If necessary, adjust the pin so customers are directed to the exact entrance of your business. Once everything looks correct, click *Save***. Google may review your address change before it becomes visible to the public. In some cases, you may be asked to complete a new verification process to confirm the updated location. After the update is approved, visit your business profile on Google Search or Google Maps to make sure the new address is displayed correctly. That's it. Your Google Business Profile address has now been updated successfully. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out our other Google Business Profile guides. Thanks for watching.